Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Ford Ranger XL dual cab ute, stock reference number 4891. This shape runs from the 6 month 2011 through to the 6 month 2015. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Colour-coded bumper bar, does have a light scuff on the right hand corner. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts and brackets. Loom end module. We have the right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Power window master switch. Rear headrests. And the rear seat. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.